Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. Today I will show you how make the desktop look so cool with a lightly demonstrated anime wallpaper. After finished, you will have a desktop like this. So now I will show you how I make it. Let's go. This is my current desktop. First upon your download file put in description below. You have a zip file to exact file. After finished, you will have a folder. You are Ctrl X, a cut, and move to video folder. You can move to other folder. Example, in this case, I move to video folder. Next step, you will go to X and download the Rainmeter. Okay, you will run set up this file. Now right click and unload the basic skin from software. Now you go to system change, left click to run the Rainmeter. In this interface, you right click to this folder and open folder. Go back to skin folder. Next step, you go to folder you download from my channel. Open it and go to skin Rainmeter. Copy three folder and paste in Rainmeter skin folder. Okay, you paste by Ctrl C or right click space. Okay. Now you refresh on, and you see on skin already linked inside my list Rainmeter. Now we will send the skin to desktop. But the first in desktop, create new folder. After that, you move on shortcuts in desktop inside folder. About recycle bin, you go to setting, personalization, then desktop icon setting and unstick recycle bin. Apply. Okay. And you see now recycle bin's icon disappear. Next you right click, show more option, rename. You press the undo file and left click to anywhere in desktop. As you see now, name of folder disappear. But to file you have to press in keypad on keyboard. Next you right click, show more option, property, customize, change icon, and select this folder. Okay. Apply. Okay. Right click, refresh. As you see now, folder change to white color. Okay, now we go back to the main list Rainmeter. First in Control to extend it, visualizer. Right click, note, positions on desktop. Next is Claimant. To extend it, right click, note. You can select 12 hour 1 or 12 hour 2 or 24 hour. I select 24 hour. Positions on desktop. Call up to extend it and select icon you usually access and send to desktop. I usually access Chrome, lost on desktop. Lost on desktop. This PC lost on desktop and YouTube lost on desktop. Now we will arrange skin in desktop. First I move it here. About visualizer and the date and time, you go back visualizer. You check in box click through. Also with the claimant. Check in click through. As you see now, we cannot click in skin and move it because we already click checkbox click through. You don't do it with the corrupt because you have to click this icon to run software inside. I change the folder to white color and disappear name because, and you see, product don't have their own software you usually access. So I correct this folder and move all shortcut inside. So when you want to access the software, you go to you access folder and click shortcut in there. Okay, this is the reason I do this with this folder. Now you go to Microsoft Store and find app Trans as TP. Yeah. You click get. You click open. And you see now start bar change to transfer. You click continue. Okay. This app will have make start bar change to transfer. And you can go back Microsoft Store and find app Lively Wallpaper. Yeah. You click install. You click open. This app will have we set the Lively Wallpaper for desktop. It change background to Lively Wallpaper. In this interface, you click add wallpaper. You click open, and links to Lively Wallpaper you download from my channel. Yeah, you click OK. As you see now, my desktop already changed to Lively Wallpaper background. This Lively Wallpaper have soundtrack, so you can go to setting and make setup in this function audio. When you select the other app, it don't play the soundtrack, but when you click to desktop, it means now desktop is the main showing. So play this screen, play music. Okay, you can make setup in there. Play audio only when desktop is focused. So I change to mute because I have to make some talking. The last step, you will make clear the taskbar. You turn up all app and software and click unspin. 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 Okay. About 3 apps, you go to setting. Personalization, taskbar, search box change to high, turn off on. Okay, so we done. You can refer my guide to make your desktop look so cool like this. Okay, so I already showed you how to make the look so cool with Lively Demon Slayer anime wallpaper. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.